is Jazz and welcome to JaStyled. So for this week, we're doing a kitchen and home decor haul. My package from Australia just arrived and I'm excited to really share with you what I bought from Ikea and Kmart. My very good friend Adelpha, who now lives in Australia, and Willie, her husband, and Lily, my inaanak, and their daughter, actually bought all this stuff. So thank you, Bello family, for granting my request. All right, we'll start with this one. This is a round pantry turntable from Kmart. The size is 25.5 in diameter. It's a perfect size actually for a kitchen cabinet. So I like Lazy Susan because it's easier to organize your condiments. Even they're stored in a cabinet. You can easily reach your condiments because of the Lazy Susan or the turntable mechanism. So yeah, I have this. I actually have two of this. I'm already using one in our dirty kitchen. And I also have another Lazy Susan. So this is a bit bigger than this one. So yeah. What I like about this is it has this height. It's taller. It's definitely taller. So yeah. And it's plastic. This is storage turntable and it is 29 centimeters in diameter. So yeah, I think this is perfect for to organize your bathroom essentials. So, or you can also use this for your kitchen. And I'm not yet done with Lazy Susan because I have another one. This one is definitely the biggest among the three. And this one is from Ikea. In diameter, I couldn't find, but I'm gonna link it down in my description box. I'm also gonna link the name of the products. I got two of this and I'm now using them for my dining. So the next one that I got is this placemat. I actually got 6 of this placemat. I got them from Kmart. I was actually eyeing for the rattan placemat from Ikea, but they're out of stock. So Adelpha found similar placemat at Kmart. And yeah, I so love it. I think this is very well made. And I know there are a lot of rattan placemats available in the Philippines, but surprisingly, this rattan placemat is significantly cheaper abroad. So I normally would see rattan placemats sold at 500 per piece, but this is sold at 250 or 300 pesos per piece in Australia. So yeah, this is definitely a good buy. So I got 6 pieces of this. Alright, next I also have this food container with bamboo lid. These two are from Kmart and they have a mother, a bigger one. I think this is very well made as well because it closes very tightly. So yeah, I also got this 3-tiered shelf from Kmart. Yeah, this is really good. This is perfect for kitchen organization or pantry organization because you can easily arrange your pantry supplies by layers, so you can readily see the pantry supplies or canned goods that you have. So yeah, I actually bought 4 pieces of this. I'm already using the 2 trays in our dirty kitchen. So this one, this is a vase or vessel. This is huge, really. So I like the color, and it also has some textures. It's white and black. So yeah, it's so big. So I got this, or my friend got me this from Kmart. So of course, this will not be a complete Ikea home decor haul if there are no curtains. So yes, we have curtains. So actually, this is the very reason why I asked my good friend to go to Ikea and buy me this stuff. I just wanted new curtains for our home. And because these curtains will be shipped to me in a balikbayan box, and sayang naman if we cannot fill in the balikbayan box. So I had to buy this stuff from Kmart and all other stuff from Ikea. So yeah, so this is what I got from Ikea. That's LISABRITT. I really like this. This has this embossed designs, and it's muted gray. So I got 6 pieces of this. Since ipapaship ko na lang to, then I might as well, para sulit, I might as well buy another set. So yeah, this one is AMILDE. Yeah, this is the AMILDE design. The good thing about Ikea curtain is that it really has that fine quality linen. These are all blackout curtains, so I don't need like another layer of sheer curtains. So this is just perfect. And aside from it is very affordable, it is really of good quality. In terms of dimension, Ikea offers a lot of choices. So I always go for the longest, that's a 250 centimeters, because this is perfect for our home. So it has to be really tall or long. So I always choose 250 centimeters. So, and I could not find, this curtain of the same dimension anywhere here in the Philippines. Let me know if there are some, but I've been to different malls, but I could not find curtains this long. So yeah, I got 6 of this and another 6 of this. I'm gonna use, I think, this one, the muted gray LISABRITT for the holidays. So finally, this is the last piece that I got. This one is, I so love this one. This is a big wall clock, with modern design. This is black, so this is really perfect for my white wall in our living room. I'd been looking for this for quite a long time now. I could not find the perfect piece. I found some from Beat and Arcade. They are this big, but I didn't like the design because it was very farmhousey. So yeah, and then I saw this from Kmart Australia. Then yeah, I told my friend I have to get that, and can you make sure that this will fit in the balikbayan box? And yeah, they had to remove the backs so it would fit into the balikbayan box. So Willie, he was able to fit this in the balikbayan box. So thank you, Willie. So I so love this. So this is so big. Yeah, I'm really excited to display this in our living room. So yeah, these are the kitchen and home decor pieces that I purchased from Kmart and Ikea Australia, courtesy of my very good friend Adelpha. And talking of, my very good friend, of course, as thoughtful as she has always been, she also sent me some items that I didn't ask her to buy. She actually bought them for me. Like this one. Yeah, these are I think shampoo or conditioner containers, and these are of course white. She knows my favorite color is white. And This one is labels. They are in black. And she also got me this. I don't know what is this. This is like a kitchen. Oh, this. She also got me. What do you call this? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna ask her. And she also sent me this. This is so beautiful. Dream catcher. Of course, white. She knows me. She knows me very well. So, and I so love this. This is perfect for my kids' bedroom. She also sent me this. This is so pretty. This is a hanging planter made of ceramic. And look at that detail. It's so pretty. Yeah. So love it. So thank you again, Delpha, Willie, and Millie. You made my day. When the package arrived, I was really excited to open it, and I forgot to tell them that the package has arrived. But I have already informed them. That's all I have for you for this week. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time.